Yes, next topic, filter with custom view option in MS Excel drop down type. I am preparing one category wise TVs, speakers and subcategories wise companies names and product sizes and amount. Okay, now I am clicking here. First, how to comes the filter. Okay, data, there click data menu, there click the filter. Click once, again click that, remove the filter. This is the first. Now I am only see the here speakers Sony company 2.1. Okay, what is the process? Click here, speaker selected, again went to the subcategory. Which company? Sony. Only Sony only selected, remind all are removed. Click OK. Here speakers, click OK. Here again to the 2.1, click OK. In this lengthy process using on that, anyone saw the table. Next one, select all. How to remove that? Select all. Here to start it, select all, click OK. Again start it, select all, click OK. Again here, select all, click OK. Now Dell company laptops. How to say that? Click here, laptops only selected, removed, remain handler not clicked. Next, which company? Dell. Which company? Dell. Okay. Next product is 1.4. Click OK. See here, in this lengthy process, very time waste on that. How to filtering directly? See, first this remove that, select all, click OK. Select all, click OK. Again select all, click OK. Again select all, click OK. Okay, now all report is came. Now click the customize view. Here adding, what adding? Which one company you are showing, which one product you are showing on that, which category you are showing that. Here add and show that. How to that? Before you selected here. What is that? Again selected here, customize. First laptops. Okay, open laptops. Okay, subcategory this one, product 15. Okay, now customize open, add here. What is that? Your laptop. What is that? Laptop. Which company? LENO, Vivo. In this one click OK. Next another one, again remove this, select all, select all. Next select all. Next one I am adding on that Sony TVs. See here, select the TVs only, click OK. Which company? Sony, click OK. Product number 55, click OK. Now customize view, again open, add here. What is that? TV. Which company? Sony. Okay, number 55. Okay, now how to show that? Click and show. See, modified there. Again customize TVs, show. Open that or not? This is also very lengthy. easy to how to that. Every time you clicking on the customize views and show here. This is also very lengthy. I am preparing here. What is that? Quick access toolbar is there. Quick access toolbar is there. There I am attach the in this report. How is that? First here quick access toolbar. There selected the more commands. Come here. Here quick access toolbar. All commands is there, but product commands not same there. All commands click here. Here capital wise is there. Alphabetical wise. Here what is that? Custom toolbar. CU. See here. CU. CU. See here. Customs views. See here now, and again add. Click OK. Now in the click customize what you are given the two is displayed here. See here, displayed here. In this process, quickly you are filtering the all report. Okay viewers, thank you very much. Please subscribe my video.